All right, camera now is on and we're gonna do some unboxing. What's going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. I have few boxes to unbox. I left him to do it on camera, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna do my hydrogen water and some chlorophyll just to get some energy and get my gut cleansed pretty well. So let's just start off with the first box. Okay, I just brought a wine bottle wine opener just to look a little cooler because that's all I have, or maybe some kitchen knives or scissors. And I want it to look cool because I haven't invested in a cool knife to do the unboxings yet. I don't know if you guys hear me or not, but I'm trying to do my best. All right, let's see what we have here. Don't you just like it when you unbox new things and you don't know what you have or what to expect? Yeah, so that's the first package here. Very well package. Another one. A third one. I'm just gonna try to do it as fast as I can because to not make it as boring. Actually, that thing is working pretty well. I didn't expect it to be that good, but probably that's gonna be my unboxing kind of like knife from now on. Okay, what is that? It's a Xerjoff Torino 21. I always wanted this fragrance right here, and I finally got it. Let's unseal this baby. Don't you just like it when you unseal the cellophane from a brand new bottle? It's like undressing a fragrance. Let's just call it a fragrance. All right. Dude, I can already smell it from here. Pum 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 pum, param pum 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 pum. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I love Xerjoff unboxings and like packaging. They're so cool. Well, that's a 50 ml, right? I think it's a 50 ml. Thank you. It's a 50 ml. And I love it. Torino. Oh my God, this one smells so good. It didn't leak or anything. I'm excited for this one for the summer and springtime. My God, I love Torino 21, one of my favorite Xerjoffs. I finally got it. I really wanted to get myself a bottle of this for the longest time. So good. Let's just move on to the next one. Let's see what we have here. Oh, actually, this knife is working pretty well. Don't you just like it? It's very minty too. I just love Torino 21. Pum 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 pum. Okay, that's very good packaging as well. Let's see what we have here. Byredo. Let's see, Lil Fleur by Byredo. I haven't actually smelled that one. That was just kind of like a blind buy. Let's see. It's 100 ml. I thought it was a 50 ml. Good. Well, seriously, I thought it was 100 ml. Let's do the first impressions on it. I'm just gonna spray my hand. F it. It smells like marzipan, like floral marzipan. I don't mind it out of the very first initial spray. It's a little feminine, but it smells like marzipan. If you're familiar with this marzipan, or like if you're Egyptian, Melbourne, it smells like Melbourne to me. It's good. It's not bad. I just need to get into it more often, but definitely a little feminine than masculine. It's not bad. It's kind of like a fresh marzipan rosy fragrance. It's good. I think it's gonna be great for this springtime. I'm just gonna wear it and I'm just gonna let you know what I think. But it's not bad at all. I like it. I know it's not gonna be your cup of tea for a lot of guys out there, but I don't mind it at all. It's got some fresh aspects into it. Let's move on to the last unboxing. Actually, this unboxing video is going pretty well. So we are already on only on 4 minutes unboxing 3 boxes. Okay, I need to clean that up. anal when it comes to this. I need to clean it up afterwards. I just don't like it. Ew. Guess which one? Which fragrance is that? I've been like shying away from buying it for the longest time, but I was like, dude, I need it because I want it. Because I deserve it. Why not? Let's unbox. Let's unwrap this baby out. Are you guys excited too? Because I am. I am very, very excited. Pum 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 pum. Okay, you always gotta be careful with this. I just want to smell this again. Pum 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 pum. Yep, just like I remember. Smells so good. I'm just gonna have some fun with this one right here. I have another unboxing for a fragrance I really wanted to. And a song got stuck in my head, you know, that little something, or I don't know how you call it. Let's unbox you, baby. Valentino Uomo Born in Roma Green Extravaganza. I wanted this for the summer and springtime. I love this one, so good. So good. It's not my favorite when it comes to Born in Roma, but it's very, very good. My favorite is the Born in Roma Intense or Choral Fantasy. Where's the hole? Where's the hole? There's no hole. Dude, where's the hole, man? Okay. Where's the hole? We find the hole. Pum, 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 pum. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And that's the unboxing of the day. Let me know in the comment section down below what is your favorite from all this unboxing I did today in front of you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.